Hello students, welcome to the next video. So in this video, we will be looking what is BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. Okay, as you know, these are the very commonly used electronic equipments in the day-to-day life. Okay, so we will look on the details of BJT in details. So the transistor is a three-layer semiconductor device that consisting of either two N and one P layer of material or two P and one N layer of material. Means any of the one N or P is sandwiched between the two other means semiconductors like N or P. Okay, so the former is called as NPN transistor. So the formation of this NPN or PNP is called as a transistor, while the latter is called as PNP transistor. Okay, and the other one is called as PNP, NPN or PNP transistor. So there are two types of BJTs. If anybody asks what are the two types of BJT, means what are the two types of transistor, you can call them as PNP transistor and NPN transistor. Okay. Now, here you can see this is the structure of PNP and NPN transistor. Okay, in this in each of the following means there are two types of arrangement like as I've said, n layers of semiconductors are there, and one P layer is sandwiched between two N layers. Similarly, N layer is sandwiched between two P types of semiconductors. Okay, so there are two junctions. So transistor can be considered as the two diode connected back to back. Okay, so means there are two junctions. Like here you can see here, this is the one junction, second junction. Similarly here, two junctions means for one junction you can consider one diode. For this another junction you can consider another diode. So there are actually two diodes connected back to back. Okay, so there will be three connections, three terminals. These three terminals you can see, and you can see a difference here. In the middle, the layer is very thin. Okay, now the naming of the terminals are given depending on the doping. Okay, so doping means addition of impurities. The section one side is called emitter and the opposite side is called collector. Means here you can see 1, 2, 3. This is the device. This is called as a BJT. There are three terminals you can see 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is the emitter, second one is the base, and third one is the collector. Okay, so the middle is called as the base. The second one is called as the base terminal. Okay, so how this naming is given? The emitter. Okay, so what is the emitter? The section of one side that supplies carrier is called as emitter. Means it supplies carrier which supplies means the device which supplies the carrier is called as emitter. So emitter is always forward bias with respect to base. With respect to base, the emitter will be always forward biased. For NPN transistor, emitter supply holes to its junction. Means for NPN means there will be P junction in the middle. So that P means holes. Hole means this transistor will supply holes to the holes into the junctions. Okay, and similarly here you can see N is sandwich. Means N means electrons will be supplied in the junction. Similarly, the collector is on the other side of that collects the carrier is called as collector. Means it is collected by this collector. Okay, and collector is always reversed by with respect to the base. Similarly, P is given means it will receive the NPN. For P it will receive the holes, and similarly N it will collect the it will receive the electrons. Okay, so I hope you understand this small video. If you have any kind of doubt, you can contact me. In the next video we will look the forward of this video. Okay, so thank you for watching.